Hello, and welcome to this short video on one of the 50 myCAD tools available. LayerManager. In a SOLIDWORKS drawing, LayerManager enables you to create and assign layers to annotations and components of an assembly. I select the types of annotations to distribute across the layers. For each type of annotation, it is possible to assign a name, description, and color to the layer. Three layers have been created automatically. It is also possible to automatically create layers for each component of the assembly. The processing can be performed on all of the assembly components, only on first-level components, or depending on certain component properties. All the layers have been created automatically. The color of the layers matches the color of the 3D components. The layers are named accordingly to the name of the components.
We'd like to take a few moments to tell you about our company. Innova Systems are a UK-based authorised reseller for SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD software. We provide the highest quality technical support and training courses to over 1,000 of our customers. Buying from us doesn't just mean a box of software, you also get the backup of our multi-award winning technical support team. Innova have been voted #1 for customer satisfaction for the last 4 years running. We are a company driven by the continued success of our customers. If you're interested in knowing more about SOLIDWORKS or the services we provide, please get in contact with us.